Hello students. In the last class, we have discussed about elements and compounds in chapter 2. Upon that, non-living matter, pure substances and impure substances we have discussed. Now, we'll discuss about the elements. I will give a brief about these elements and compounds again. Matter, which occupies some space and mass, is classified into living matter and non-living matter. Matter consists of substances or materials. Got it? These matter consists of living matter and non-living matter. Non-living matter nothing but humans, birds, animals, or else non-living matter nothing but pen, book, chair, etc. Matter nothing but which occupies some space and mass. Non-living matter consists of two types, pure substances and impure substances. Pure substances nothing but elements and compounds, and impure substances are mixture. Elements nothing but metals, non-metals, metalloids, and mixtures classified into again two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Impure substances and pure substances. What is meant by pure substances and impure substances? Impure substances are made up of two or more substances mixed together in any portion. For example, sugar solution, water, air, sea water. And pure substances nothing but every homogeneous mixture of a material. These pure substances has a constant or similar composition. For example, sugar, oxygen and baking soda. Now we'll discuss about elements. This is the brief explanation of elements and compounds. Okay, now we'll go to the topic, elements. Element nothing but, what is an element? An element is a pure substances. Elements are a pure substances consist of atoms, that all atom consists of same number of protons and nucleus. Element nothing but, an element is a pure substance. Element is a pure substance consists of atoms. Consists of atoms that all have same number of same number of protons and nuclei. Element nothing but, element is a pure substance consists of atom that all have same number of protons and nucleus. What is an atom? Here I mentioned atom consists of atom, pure substances. No, element is a pure substance and it consists of atoms. What is meant by an atom? What is meant by atom? An atom is the smallest particle. Atom is the smallest particle. In an element, an atom is the smallest particle which may or may not exist on its own. Nothing but an atom which consists of element. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which may exist on its own, called an atom. Everything, nothing but everything around us, everything around us. If you take gas, liquid, or a solid, all these are matter only. Got it? Is made up of matter. When matter is observed closely, if you observe the matter closely, if you observe the matter closely, it observed closely, it seems to be made up of tiny particles. For example, if you take the liquid or else a solid, okay, in solid, if you observe deeply, and we can see the some particles, some tiny particles, those are called as atom. Or else, if I take a gold, okay, gold is an element. This is gold. Okay, gold is an element. Okay, gold is an element. In gold, we can see the small particles. Those particles, if we observed so deeply, then we can see small particles. Those particles are called as atom. I got it. Everything around us, if you take a gas, liquid, or a solid, or else an element such as gold. I am taking an example here. I am just taking example here, gold. Got it? This is called as element. Element nothing but, element is a pure substance consists of atom that all have, these atoms all have same number of protons and nucleus. What is an atom? This atom is the smallest particle which may exist on its own, is called as atom. Or else, if you can take as a silver also for an example, if I take silver, silver is also a element, is also element. In silver also we can see small particles. These particles are called as atom. Okay, these atom combined, these small particles are called as atoms. No, these atoms are combined to form a molecule. These all the atoms, these small particles of atom are combined to form a molecule. What atoms will form? What atoms are combined to form a molecule? They make of different kinds of substances around us. These molecules make up different kinds of substances around us. Got it? What is these molecules? Got it? Atom combine to form a molecules, and these molecules are made up of different kinds of substances around us. The molecules that make up matter, and these molecules make up matter, classified, and this matter is classified into two types: elements and compounds. Got it? So again, elements. Element nothing but pure substance of, element is a pure substance, consists of atom that all have same number of, these atom consists of protons and nucleus. Okay, atom nothing but is the smallest particle which may exist on its own. Got it? Okay, and these elements are classified into four groups. What are they? Now we'll see. Elements. These elements are classified into four groups. What are they? First, metals, metals, non-metals, metalloids, and noble gas. Got it? These elements are classified into four groups. Those are metals, non-metals, and metalloids. What is metal? First we discuss about the metals. Okay? Metals. What is metals? First, these are hard solids. Hard solids. Metals are hard solids. Suppose how it will be hard solids. Okay. And we'll discuss it. Okay. Metals are shiny or luster, you can say. Metals are malleable. Metals are ductile. And metals are high melting and boiling points. Okay. Metals are hard solids, shiny or luster, malleable, ductile, high melting and boiling points. These metals are hot solids. For example, hot solids we can take as hot solids, nothing but if we take a gold, gold is a hard metal. Got it? This gold is a shiny or not? Yes, this gold is a shiny. I am taking example students here. Example, hot solid. For solid gold I am taking. This gold is a shiny metal, isn't it? Yes. For example, what about soft metal? Can you give me an example for soft metal? Like example for soft metal. This is exceptional, students. This is exceptional. Soft metal. Just I am discussing about it. Soft metal, nothing but example for soft metal is sodium, mercury. These are the soft metals. Okay. These are shiny gold. Here I have taken metals, hard solids, nothing but gold. Gold is a shiny or not? Yes, shiny. And what is meant by malleable? Malleable, nothing but suppose think I have an iron bar. Suppose think this is an iron bar. I have taken here example as a iron. If I beat the iron bar with an hammer, I continuously beating the iron bar, we can make a sheet, isn't it? This property called malleable can get a sheet. If I take an iron bar, if I continuously beat it with hammer, what we can get? It will get a sheet. This property is called as malleable. And here also one exception case. Suppose if I take zinc instead of iron, does zinc become a sheet? No. Why doesn't it become a pieces? Because zinc is a brittle in nature. This is exceptional. Okay, I'm just giving you example. Got it? Okay, what is ductile? Metals are hot, solid, shiny, malleable, nothing but I just explained here. And ductile. Ductile, nothing but and now ductile. Ductile. Metals are these metals. Ductile is a metal. These metals are ductile. Ductile, nothing but we can make a wire. We can make a wire. For example, I am taking a copper. Think that it is a copper, okay? Copper. Copper metal here. We can make a wire with copper, isn't it? We can make a wire with copper, isn't it? Like this we can make. We can see this in our homes when electricity, when we in at our homes, when we are making our electricity work, they will use copper while going electricity work is going on at our home. At that time they will use copper. You can see that. Okay, ductile has a property of drawn into a wire. This is called as ductile. And metals have high melting and boiling points. Nothing but suppose you think I have a metal. I have a metal. It does not melt. It does not melt. It does not melt. If I heat the metal, does it melt or not? Yes. It does not melt early, but it does melt while heating. Definitely it will melt with prolonged heating. So the metals have high melting and boiling points. Got it? This is all about the metals. Got it? So this is all about the elements, and the elements are classified into four groups, and those are metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. This is all about the metal. Thank you, students. Hope you like my video. Please support with like, subscribe and share. Thank you.